Come along as we make a delicious Sobolo drink. Ginger, winter, fennel, bay leaves, and cloves or pepper. I like to grate my ginger with the skin and everything on it. Actually very good for you. If you grate the ginger, you get more benefits out of it as opposed to cutting it in pieces. Ready to roll. Dried hibiscus flowers. You add in your hibiscus and all the other herbs. Add your grated ginger. Add some oranges, the juice, the skin, everything. You add the oranges, you strain the seeds. Add in some cinnamon sticks, some mint, some herbs, whatever you like. Put the skin and everything right in there. Some organic pineapple juice. Now at this point, don't put no sugar in it. Okay? I like to do it where I put the sugar in later to my taste. Hibiscus leaves are very tart, so you don't want to put, if you want to put lemons, lime, that's fine. You let it simmer at a low heat until all the aroma and the deliciousness comes together. It's really good. Look at that. Beautiful. You can drink, it's ready. You can drink it hot, or you can wait till it cools and you put some ice in there. Those of you who like rum, hey, put your rum in there. All right, enjoy.